Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to restore deleted notes on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Notes app. After click on Notes app, click on this three line icon and click on Recycle Bin. If you want to restore deleted notes, so you will see deleted notes is here. If you want to recycle, click on this three dot, click on edit. After click on edit and you will see if you want to recycle, so select note from here. After select, click on restore all. After click on restore all and you will see notes is restored. After restore notes, go back to home screen. So that's how you can restore deleted notes on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.